Hi, welcome to OPTO Engineering's Tech Insights. Machine learning methods can be distinguished in three main types: supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. The main difference between the two types is that supervised learning provides the software with both the input and the desired output values to create the training model, while supervised learning algorithms learn patterns exclusively from unlabeled data. In supervised learning, the operator has prior knowledge of what the output values of the samples should be, whether they're right or whether they're wrong. Therefore, supervised learning is aimed at learning a function by the software which, given a sample of desired data and outputs, is closer to the relationship between inputs and outputs which can be observed in the data. From a practical point of view, supervised learning requires a user to label the training images to teach the software. In unsupervised learning, the operator enters the input images with no matching output variable. The goal of unsupervised learning is to model the structure or the distribution underlying the data. Unlike supervised learning, there is no correct answer because there is no teacher. The algorithms discover the structures in the data and the laws governing them on their own. The hope is that, through mimicry, the machine is forced to build a representation of the relationship between the inputs and the outputs. Unsupervised learning applications are essentially clustering problems, since you want to discover inherent groupings in your data, for example, by grouping objects based on their area. Semi-supervised learning, also known as weak supervision, is characterized by using a combination of small amount of human-labeled data, followed by a large amount of unlabeled data. In other words, the desired output values are provided only for a subset of the training data. The remaining data is unlabeled or imprecisely labeled. As stated before, a limit of learning software is related to the effort needed to prepare the dataset of images to train the model when network depth increases and deep learning methods are used. Semi-supervised learning relevance and notability is increasing thanks to the possibility to reduce training effort when large amount of data is required for the training of the model. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.